In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a funded account from Equity Edge. Equity Edge works a little differently from firms that let you click a button and instantly buy a funded account. Here, you earn your way in by passing one of their evaluation challenges, and that success is what unlocks a live funded account. First, choose and complete an evaluation challenge. Equity Edge offers multiple paths, including one-step and two-step formats across programs like Legacy, Swift, and Flagship. Pick the route that fits your trading style and schedule. Before you place a single trade, study the rules for your specific challenge so you know the profit target, daily limits, overall drawdown limits, and any other risk parameters. Your job is to reach the profit target without breaking any of those rules. Give yourself structure. Define your max risk per trade, track your floating and closed P&L, and set alerts so you don't drift near a daily or overall limit by accident. When you hit the profit target and remain within the rules, your account doesn't flip instantly. Equity Edge's risk team will review your trades. This is a normal due diligence step to confirm you followed the evaluation guidelines. Keep your trading clean and consistent with their policies. Avoid anything they flag as prohibited behavior, because the review looks at both results and conduct. After you pass the review, complete identity verification, often called KYC. Make sure the personal details you submit match the information you used when you purchased the challenge. Have your government ID and matching address documents ready, and check that your name, address, and date of birth are entered exactly the same way everywhere to prevent delays. Once you've passed the evaluation and your KYC is approved, Equity Edge will issue a funded, live account linked to your evaluation. You don't buy this account outright. You secure it by meeting the evaluation standards and clearing verification. From there, continue to follow their funded account rules. Prohibited strategies still apply, including things like martingale and taking excessive risk. Read their trading rules and guidelines carefully and trade within those boundaries. Keep the same discipline that got you funded. Stick to your risk plan, journal your trades, and if you're unsure whether a strategy is allowed, ask support before you use it. That's the path. Choose an evaluation, hit the target without violations, pass the review, finish KYC, receive your funded account, and keep following the rules to stay funded.